3.
Good afternoon, guys. This is Aaron from Damcon Pretoria. A client asked me to come and spray Damcon around his swimming pool. Today I'm going to show you how effective Damcon is working.
Okay, let's go.
Hi guys, this is Aaron from Damcon Pretoria. Let me just show you, I've sprayed around the swimming pool for the client. I just want to show you the effectiveness of Damcon and how it works. You can clearly see where I've not sprayed. The water is clearly penetrating the cement. Let me show you where I've did sprayed and what the effect of that is. Clearly you can see the water is bubbling and bubbling on top of the concrete and the raw cement and it's not penetrating. 100% waterproof. Thank you guys.